everyone, this is Dom and Amara and welcome to my channel. I make educational kink videos, Dom DIYs, and travel tours. Thanks to Kink Queens magazine, I'm unboxing some products from ViviShine, the latex care company. ViviShine is named after Lady Vivian, who loves latex. In 2004, Mr. Stefan Kramer showed off their outfit that outshined everyone else's. Lady Vivian curiously asked how this was the case, and that was when she was gifted a bottle of the very first version of ViviShine. Co-creator Mr. Andres Göttinger decided that instead of just using it on himself and his business partner, they would make it a product for like-minded people. Since then, the ViviShine team has familiarized with parties and those fascinated with the latex scene. A three-man team optimized the formula and publicly presented it at the German Fetish Fair in 2005. The word spread by mouth, and to this day, no dime has ever been spent on advertising. ViviShine made its way to England and from there exploded worldwide. Figure-hugging catsuit enthusiasts are the perfect look for using these smooth and skin-friendly products. After other tests, ViviClean, ViviShine Fresh Up, and ViviShine Spray were created to further expand the brand, not just for latex luster, but also care. In 2016, Mercedes even commissioned ViviShine for their advertisement banner at the Berlin Fashion Week. Many other companies have tried to copy ViviShine products, and although the company doesn't promise any miracles, they have been around for over a decade, making them one of the leading brands best for latex designers to large shops and individual users around the globe. Okay, so today I have a pair of gloves that I will be testing these ViviShine products on. We will go in the order of how you would clean and prep your latex and body as if you were going to go out. If your latex hasn't been stored properly and cleaned, this step is for you. Otherwise, you can shift this to after you return from your outing and want to wash your rubber clothing and accessories before storing. Take the ViviClean bottle, use about 15 to 20 milliliters to a few liters of lukewarm water, or adjust the measurement to the size of your latex piece. Wash for about a minute in the solution, and if a lot of ViviShine product has been applied previously, a second wash may be needed. They call ViviClean the wash lotion for latex that gives thorough cleaning, including removing germs while being sensitive to skin. Latex reacts easily to body oils and even some types of metals. The natural fats from your body can soften and disintegrate latex, leading to tears. Due to latex's osmotic properties, moisture, dirt, odors, and bacteria can settle into the latex. So this agent is recommended as it was developed to clean all of that nastiness. The solution is very thin and dissolves immediately in water. Avoid contact with the eyes while handling, as it can cause irritation. Ingredient lists of all their products and eye contact irritation instructions can be found on their website, linked in the description box below. Rinse afterwards with a fresh batch of clear water and then hang to dry. You can prevent hard watermarks by dabbing the droplets with a towel. Take your clean latex and then use ViviDress to put the latex on under the rubber clothing. Apply it directly onto your skin, or you can douse the head to the inner side of your latex before slipping it on. You can even use the inside of your latex to help spread the product around. Yes, it is actually gliding my hand in fairly easily, whereas before I would have to like really stretch the latex on. because it's obviously made out of rubber. And that went on without a hitch. Vivid Dress can also be used to help take your latex off should it be particularly tight, to avoid stretching and tearing the suit. It makes the material glide off instead of stick. Next is the moment we've all been waiting for. ViviShine. This long-lasting deep shine product is solvent-free and scentless. Use this prior to going out and buff it on with their Vivi Wipe polishing cloth. It makes the latex shine without being greasy and removes oils from skin while being anti-static. Think of it as a microfiber cloth that can remove dirt without ruining the shine. ViviShine can also be used after ViviClean to polish and condition the latex before being hung back into the closet or stored in a garment bag. I personally like to baby powder inside and outside my latex after washing to store so that it doesn't stick to the bag or any other items in the bag. ViviShine should help as long as your clothing is stored separately. To use, distribute ViviShine all over thoroughly and evenly. You can even use the Vivi Wipe to help swirl the product all over. ViviShine is economical to use. 1 tablespoon of the product can be mixed with a few liters of lukewarm water. Immerse the latex piece in it, pull the latex piece out after soaking for a minute, then notice how the water bubbles form and admire the shiny surface that appears. I personally like to put it on manually and watch as the latex magically gets shinier and shinier. As you can see for my pair of fingerless gloves, a few drops on each side did the trick. Latex will feel glossy without sticking together. If oily droplets can be seen after shaking the water off, then you've put too much ViviShine. The only drawback of this is that it will attract lint. Finally, we have ViviShine Fresh Up, which are 10 individually packaged, airtight, soaked wipes. Their purpose is to revive the shine. Say you've worn a coat over your latex and you take the coat off or are doing a photo shoot that takes hours and you have sat or leaned against multiple surfaces. This is a great way to quickly spot check for your outfit for optimum shine. Great for travel, and you can avoid bringing the entire bottle and cloth should you be out and about. Simply tear open the pack, unfold the wet cloth, and wipe directly over the latex without applying pressure. The cloth will pick up lint while recoating the surface with a fine film of beautiful shine. One wipe can cover 2 people or multiple applications during the event. You can refold the cloth and return it into the open pack and fold it at the top to prevent liquid from leaking into your pocket. I like to wash my latex right after I shed that second skin off. I don't want my closet to smell of sweaty body odors or smoke, And I like my clothes ready for wear so that I don't have to worry about it in addition to getting ready. Also, it is just good practice to store your latex clean should you want it to last for a very long time. This is when I would be using ViviClean after I get home from a night of dancing, partying, and playing. Don't forget to check out ViviShine Spray for high gloss finishes or repolishing with a damp cloth for bigger areas or specific areas that tend to dull during wear, like knees, butt, and elbows. Thanks again to King Queens magazine for sending me these ViviShine products. Go ahead and go on to the Latex website with my code MARA, M-A-R-A, to receive a discount when you purchase off of their website, linked in the description below. If you like this video and found it informative, spank that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications by clicking that bell so that you know when I have new content and new collabs coming out. I post new videos or live stream every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time. I have 2 membership tiers here on YouTube that have custom Kiki Mara emojis and exclusive feet and leg content, so go check those out on my channel page. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Mara Domina for daily news and juicy updates. Comment below if you have used any of these ViviShine products and which is your favorite. Until next time, be safe, have fun, and keep it kinky, everyone. Let's see if these actually slide off. Whoa, so my skin is still moisturized from before. Wow, this is so much easier than when I first put these on, when I first got them. They literally just, look at that, glide off. Fantastic.